Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Advait the Cuber, and today we're gonna see if butter will make a Rubik's Cube buttery. So here's the butter. This cube at the moment is not that good. It's fast and a bit smooth, but definitely not buttery, which is what we want at the end. So I'm just gonna take out a piece, or a whole row, and I'm just gonna put the butter in there. That should be good. Yeah, I think once I put the pieces inside, it should push it in. So here I'm just gonna put the pieces back inside. There we go. Just gonna press that in. Now let's see if the butter made the cube buttery. Just breaking it in. Okay, so that's pretty nicely broken in. It has made the cube a lot smoother and a bit buttery, so the rumors aren't false. It is a lot smoother. It used to be really rough, but it is a bit slippery on the outside. I'm just gonna do a solve, so why not time it? Yeah, that was a 19-second solve. Not that good, but it is pretty slippery on the outside. That was hard. But it is respectively good to if it was not buttered or lubed. So that's it, guys. Butter at the end does make a Rubik's Cube buttery, if you were wondering. And I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.